Today we will learn ABC. This is A. A is for ant, A is for alligator, A is for apple. This is B. B is for ball, B is for banana, B is for bumblebee. This is C. C is for cat, C is for caterpillar, C is for car. This is D. D is for dog, D is for dinosaurs, D is for duck. This is E. E is for elephant, E is for egg, E is for eagle. This is F. F is for frog, F is for fish, F is for fan. This is G. G is for giraffe, G is for goat, G is for grape. This is H. H is for hippo, H is for horse, H is for hat. This is I. I is for iguana, I is for igloo, I is for ice cream. This is J. J is for jaguar, J is for jellyfish, J is for jam. This is K. K is for kangaroo, K is for kiwi, K is for koala. This is L. L is for lion, L is for lamp, L is for lemon. This is M. M is for monkey, M is for moon, M is for mango. This is N. N is for nest, N is for nurse, N is for notebook. This is O. O is for owl, O is for orange, O is for octopus. This is P. P is for penguin, P is for pencil, P is for pineapple. This is Q. Q is for queen, Q is for quail, Q is for quilt. This is R. R is for rabbit, R is for rainbow, R is for rose. This is S. S is for snake, S is for sun, S is for strawberry. This is T. T is for tiger, T is for tree, T is for tomato. This is U. U is for umbrella, U is for unicorn, U is for Uriel. This is V. V is for vulture, V is for violin, V is for van. This is W. W is for whale, W is for watch, W is for watermelon. This is X. X is for xylophone, X is for X-ray, X is for xenops. This is Y. Y is for yak, Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yogurt. This is Z. Z is for zebra, Z is for zipper, Z is for zucchini. We're all done from A to Z. We learned about animals, objects, and fun things with each letter. See you in next video.
Let's learn the alphabet A to Z. Come sing with me. A. This is uppercase A. This is lowercase a. 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 A for apple, A for airplane, A for ant, A for astronaut, A for alligator. This is uppercase B. This is lowercase b. B for banana, B for bird, B for ball, B for bear, B for bus. This is uppercase C. This is lowercase key. C for cat, C for car, C for cake, C for cow, C for carrot. This is uppercase D. This is lowercase d, 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 D. D for doll, D for doll, D for door, D for duck, D for drum. This is uppercase E, this is lowercase e. E for elephant, E for egg, E for eagle, E for ear, E for engine. This is up, F, F for fish, F for frog, F for fan, F for flower, F for fire. This is uppercase G, this is lowercase g. G. G for goat, G for grapes, G for gift, G for garden, G for guitar. H, this is uppercase H, this is lowercase h. H for hat, H for horse, H for house, H for heart, H for hand. I, this is uppercase I, this is lowercase I. I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for insect, I for island, I for ink. J, this is uppercase J, this is lowercase j. J, J for jelly, J for jug, J for jam, J for jacket, J for jump. K, this is uppercase K, this is lowercase k. K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for king, K for king, K for kitten. L, this is uppercase L, this is lowercase l. L for lion, L for leaf, L for lamp, L for ladder, L for lemon. M, this is uppercase M, this is lowercase Mama M, Mama M. M for monkey, M for moon, M for milk, M for mouse, M for mango. N, this is uppercase M, this is lowercase n. N for nest, N for nose, N for net, N for night, N for necklace. O for orange, O for octopus, O for oven, O for ostrich, O for olive. P, this is uppercase P, this is lowercase p. P for parrot, P for pumpkin, P for pen, P for piano, P for pizza. Q, this is uppercase Q, this is lowercase q. Q. Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q for quail, Q for question, Q for quiet. R, this is uppercase R, this is lowercase r. R for rabbit, R for rainbow, R for rocket, R for rose, R for rose, R for river. This is uppercase S, this is lowercase s. Sister S, S. S for sun, S for star, S for snake, S for sock, S for ship. T, this is uppercase T, this is lowercase 2. T for tiger, T for tree, T for train, T for tomato, T for turtle. This is uppercase U, this is lowercase u. U for umbrella, U for unicorn, U for uniform, U for ukulele, U for umbrella, U for under. This is uppercase V, this is lowercase v. V. V for van, V for violin, V for volcano, V for vest, V for vase. Wow, this is uppercase W, this is lowercase O. W. W. W for whale, W window, W for watch, W for watermelon, W for wheel.